Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Buying a second-hand iPhone, don't get scam. Watch this video very carefully. So before you buying any iPhone, second-hand iPhone especially, you need to check the iPhone battery health. To check your iPhone battery health, open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out battery. Okay, open it and go to battery health and charging, and here you need to check your battery health. So if the battery health is below 80%, it means after some time you need to replace your battery. Okay, first you need to check this, and second thing, you need to check your iCloud. Okay, to check the iCloud, open the iPhone settings, and in the top side here you can get the Apple account. If the iCloud is signed in, you need to sign out, and find my device, find my iPhone is turned off. You need to check this. And one more thing guys, you need to check Face ID, camera, speaker and mic, everything. To check this guys, open the camera and check the camera quality, and if you want to check your mic quality, make a call from this iPhone to another number and check the voice clarity and network, everything. Okay, also you need to play some music videos to check your speaker quality. So one more thing guys, you need to check if any part of the iPhone was repaired or serviced. You need to check in your iPhone. To check this guys, open your iPhone settings, go to journal, scroll down and find out about, and here you can get the option battery and service history. If the iPhone was previously repaired or service, here you can get your iPhone history. So one more thing guys, in your phone settings, go to about section, and here you need to check the model number. If the model number is start from M, this means guys the iPhone is original. If the model number is start from F, it means the iPhone is refurbished. If the model number is start from N, so the iPhone is replaced. Okay, in my case my model number is start from N, this means guys, so this is the original. And guys, most important setting, verify EMI on Apple website and match it with your box. If you're buying a second-hand iPhone from the unknown seller, you need to first ask the seller for a bill and box, and you need to check bill and box EMI number and serial number, okay, on your phone settings, or you can verify it on your Apple website as well. And you need to check your iPhone was physical damage or not. You need to check your all ports and buttons, everything clearly. Okay, and then you need to charge your phone for a few time, and after this guys, now you can decide if you want to buy this iPhone or not. So these are the some easy and simple method to check before buying a second-hand iPhone. Follow TECHiFY for more smart tech buying tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.